Shellers, African boy. Just excited about performing and getting everyone saying YAM. So yeah, shouts out to Boiler Room for that, man, definitely.
I believe that the intention was positive and honest. That's why right now the launches are super amazing. You can feel the vibe, the energy.
Hi, I'm Spook Matambo from Johannesburg, South Africa. African Boy always puts on a good show. I've never seen Batida before and everyone hypes that up, so I want to see. Theo Parrish, the legends are in the house. Oh my S. I've even never seen Kulo the song from South Africa, so I'm excited to hear that. Yep.
I am Abdellah Taya, I'm a Moroccan writer. The main and the most important thing for me to meet all these artists involved in this project. They are all human, talented and incredible, and we all became very quickly friends. We got the possibility to meet and to make something really beautiful.
My name is Laurence and I have the brand called Laurence Airline, and I think it's such a good idea to take some talent from Africa, you know, with a project made in Africa, and I think it's helpful to show what's happening